Hi there, I'm Sue from Maths for Adults, and today I'm going to show you how to do multiplication. Now, if you were at school when I was at school, which probably means you're about between the ages of 35 and 45, you probably realise that you did multiplication a bit like this. So 25 times 5, you went like this, and you said 5 times 5 is 25, and 2 times 5, we go diagonally now, 2 times 5 is 10, plus that extra 2, 125. Okay, let's just do a few more examples of those. So if we had 25 times 15 now because we've got this extra 10 here, it means we're going to need extra space to work things out. So first of all, we go 5 times 5 is 25, put the little 2 there this time, and then 2 times 5 is 10, plus the 2, so 12. Now we want to go to the next column, and because this is the tens column, we have to put a 0 in our units column. That's the units column. Now 1 times 5 is 5, 1 times 2 is 2. And now we've got those two numbers, we just add them together. 375. Okay, now the more columns you have, so if we had the hundreds, the more rows you would have here. So if we had a number that was in the hundreds, we'd have 3 rows here. So 1, 2, 3, and then the answer here. Okay, so I'm just going to show you another one of these now. So say 36, so there's our 2 rows there, whoops, times, so 5 sixes are 30, 2 sixes are 12, plus 3 is 15, put our 0 in there because we're in the tens column now. 3 times 5 is 15, and 2 times 3 is 6, add 1, 7. Now add these two numbers together, 7, 8. Careful not to add these little ones. That's why they're little, so you don't add them when you come to doing the final answer here. If you make them the same size, like that in there, you're liable to add that and the answer will be wrong. So just make them tiny. Okay. And that is basically it. So I'm just going to show you one more, just for practice. So keep our 25 at the top again, times 18. So 5 times 8 is 40, remember to keep these small. 2 8s is 16, add 4 is 20. And also remember to keep things in columns, because then it's nice and clear and you add the right numbers. Let me show you. So I put a 0 here, 1 times 5 is 5, and 1 times 2 is 2. Now if I put the 2 there, and I had another number here, for example, there was a 1, I know there isn't in this case, but when I came to add it up, I might think, ooh, what do I add here? And it's getting confused. So as long as I keep my columns equal, you'll always find the answer works out. So let's just do that again. Once 5 is 5, once 2 is 2. Add these up, there's the answer. And that is multiplication. So I hope you find that useful, and if you did, please leave me a comment below. Bye!